In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync folder to Google Drive in Windows. If you want a simple and reliable way to keep your files backed up and accessible across devices, this method will help you do exactly that with minimal effort. To begin, make sure you are signed in to your Google account using Google Drive for desktop. This application creates a direct connection between your computer and your cloud storage, allowing your files to stay updated automatically. If you have multiple Google accounts, take a moment to confirm that you're using the correct one before proceeding, as your synced files will be tied to that account. Once you're signed in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen where your system tray is located. You should see the Google Drive icon there. Click on it, then select the gear icon to open the Settings menu and choose Preferences. This area allows you to manage how your files are synced between your computer and Google Drive. Inside the Preferences window, find the section labeled My Computer. This is where you can choose specific folders from your device to sync. Click on the option to add a folder, then browse through your files and select the folder you want to connect to Google Drive. After selecting your folder, you'll be presented with a couple of options. You can upload the folder directly to Google Drive so it appears in your online storage, or if the folder contains mostly images and videos, you may choose to sync it with Google Photos. In most situations, selecting the option to sync with Google Drive is the best choice. Once you've made your selection, click Done, and then click Save to apply the changes. The syncing process will begin right away. Keep in mind that the time it takes to complete will depend on the size of the folder and the speed of your internet connection. From this point forward, any changes you make within that folder will automatically update in Google Drive. This includes adding new files, editing existing ones, or even deleting items. Similarly, updates made in your Drive can reflect back onto your computer when syncing is active. If you ever decide you no longer want that folder to sync, you can return to the Preferences menu and remove it at any time. This setup is a great way to keep your files secure, organized, and easy to access wherever you are. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.